Hi guys, and welcome to this tutorial video from awesomevideopromos.com. My name is Miraj Ahmed, and today I'm going to be taking you through the steps that you need to add information to the free mobile video that we've been giving away on the WSO. But today we're going to be using Camtasia. Camtasia is a Windows based piece of software that's used for screen capturing, but we can also use it to a rudimentary effect for video editing. Now, unfortunately, Camtasia isn't as powerful as Sony Vegas and Adobe After Effects or the Adobe Premiere Pro or some of the other video editors out there, but we can still use it to a slight effect. It won't look as good as, say, if you did it on Vegas or Adobe After Effects, but you can still get the same kind of feel for it. First things first is you need to import your clip. You do this by clicking the import media and then clicking the clip. Now, as soon as you import it in and you drag it into here, you'll get like a little preview window on the side. What I tend to do is I tend to make my timeline bigger and my preview window smaller so that it takes less CPU and less resources. Now, for some reason, sorry, not for some reason, for good reason, Camtasia always links the video and the audio of the video that you create, but we don't want that at the moment. What we want is we want to unlink them. So you click here, unlink. Do you want to permanently unlink audio video from video 1? Yeah, you do. And now what we want to do is to do the cool fade-in effect that we do sometimes with other videos. We want to go to the section where mobile marketing starts fading out, which is, if I'm correct, around 126. Now, this is what happens. Your mobile marketing or your video preview might just be like really weird, and it might do some strange things, which is fair enough. Camtasia is not exactly the most powerful editing software in the world, but you know, you have to live with it. We worked it out to be about 126, so you just want to move it to about 126, and then you want to hit S on your keyboard, which will split the track. You delete the small section there, and now you've got this area whereby you have some audio and it fades out, and you want to add an image here that will give you your contact details. So in the pack you might find that there's a second PSD called the Camtasia template. Essentially what it is that it's the slight gradient background that's used in the video, and you know, you might not be able to see it properly, but there is a slight gradient, and if you don't use the gradient, the transition between the video and your contact details looks very off. Again, as per usual, we're using the Myriad Pro font. I chose this font because it's installed in most computers by default, and if you have Photoshop, I'm sure it'll be up there. So I like to use the bold. You can if you want to. It's up to you. So just type in your information, awesome video promos. Quick tip, you can put a ruler if you press view or window, sorry, and then info. This PSD file is at 1280 by 720, so by the time you get this, it should be have a ruler in in and just find what the end is, which is 45.2. You just want to go to the middle, which would be 22 point. Well, half of 45 is 22.5. Add the half of 20. Oh, because it's 22.6. So it'll be right around here. And you just want to center the awesome video promos so that that little black dot there is in the middle. Change the size to whatever you want. I'm gonna have it at what I normally do is I normally change the size and then come up here and then just type in a nice healthy even number to keep things in order and not get any jagged edges at all. Awesome video promos. Awesome video promos. Again, because you're using this Camtasia template, where is the background, you could actually put in any text you want, any logos you want as well. And because you're doing a fade in a different way, again, you're not restricted to using this system. If you want to use this in any of the Sorry, I'm just checking, making sure that my typing is fine. In Adobe CS5 you can change the width by using the character icon, which is here under painting. Click the character icon and change the width. It's at 80% at the moment, but I want it to be at 100% so that it looks nice and clean. Like I was saying beforehand, you can change any of this information and use both the After Effects and the Sony Vegas method, whereby using this instead of the original methods that are shown in the tutorials. You can use this method as well, but it's just this method is designed for Camtasia, since Camtasia doesn't allow you to write text in any custom font and doesn't allow you to arrange that text in any systematic way. So we're just going to use this quickly to put in some information. Nice and big. I guess we can make awesomevideopromos@gmail.com a little bit bigger as well. What you want to try and do is a little bit of typography for you guys. Try and make everything line up so that they're the same size, and then once you're done, press enter, and then just line it up in the middle like so. Oh, there you go. Awesome video promos can be made a bit bigger as well. And then you just want to save this as a JPEG. I'm just going to call it Camtasia template. Save. Any settings will do as long as it's a JPEG. And then back to Camtasia, you want to import more media. Go to wherever you found your JPEG is. Oops, not there. Where is that JPEG? There we go. And then you just want to drag that in over here, and you just want to clip it so that it's the same size as the end of the clip, right? So from here it goes from there straight into this. Now of course it doesn't look very professional because it's just a blink, and you want to do a little fade in, so you go to transitions, and there's plenty of transitions. You can use all sorts. I prefer to use the fade, and hit play and see how that looks. There you go, a simple and easy fade. You can edit this fade by choosing duration. I will do 1 second and see how that looks. Oops. Interesting. I think there's a slight amount of delay with the audio, because once you put the transition in, it moves the audio away. So you just want to fiddle around with it until you get the audio to sync in perfectly. Again, a transition at the end would be good to put a fade to black, but unfortunately doesn't seem to be able to do that in Camtasia. So you use a nice fade and end. You know, that's the best that Camtasia can do at the moment. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you guys learn how to use Camtasia to add your information at the bottom. Oh, one more thing before you want to do, you want to quickly click produce and share and go to custom production settings. This is for rendering. Choose MP4 FLV, click again, template, you want to choose no controls, flash options, you want to go to MP4 100%, okay, click next, and then if you want to include a watermark, you're free to do so. This video is PLR'd, is a unrestricted PLR, sorry, so you're allowed to put your own watermark on top, and then just hit next and, you know, choose where you want to render it and so on. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and happy holidays. See you guys soon.